I'm Haden Bretain from AH Clark Farms in Spalding, Lincolnshire. We are an arable farm. We produce wheat, barley, rape, beans, and that's, well, we do a bit of sugar beet as well. We've got a mix of soil types. We've got some good silt land, grade 1 silt land, but we've also got a lot of fen land, quite sticky soil down at the fen, but majority of it is good land. We do a bit of ploughing. We try and minimise the ploughing as much as we can, but depending on the black grass situation, we have done a lot of ploughing this year because we've had quite a bit of black grass, which we're trying to control. But we try and do minimal tillage. We try and direct drill quite a bit, but we also do, it all depends on whereabouts and the land soil. Majority of it is direct drilled. But this year we've probably done 20% with the power harrow, and the rest has been done with the discs.
What made you go for this machine?
Well, we actually went and viewed a neighbour who had previously bought one. We went and looked at his. We was very impressed with what the machine was doing on the land. We previously had a Vardostat, and the outcome wasn't as good with a Vardostat at the time, and you minimalise to the weather situation. If you get a slight bit of rain, then you had to stop drilling. And then we had a smaller one on demo where we did a bit of game cover work, and was very impressed with the outcome of that. And then yeah, we went ahead and bought one.
So experience with the machine across the sort of range between your XR and what experience have you had with it?
Well, we have noticed a big difference in the crops coming through the field. We're getting an even pattern come across the field. Obviously we've got the options to change if we do get a bit of rain and the discs start struggling. We've got the option to put the power harrow on, which literally first time was a bit longer, but the second time I swapped it over, it took me 20 minutes to swap it over, and then you're back out drilling again.
On the back of the drill you have what we call the E-drive system. Have you utilised that?
Yes, we use that system for the game covers when we're drilling maize. Easy to use, simple, just for the game covers really.
When you first got the machine, how did you learn to use it?
It was supplied and fitted by Double Days and Sulky themselves. It was all done at Double Days, and then we had a day setting it up where it wasn't even a full day in the field, to be honest. It's simple to use. Once you get told, it's pretty go ahead forward. And
in general, what do you think of the Sulky brand?
Amazing, amazing. It's so simple to use, and the job that it does, whether it's wet, dry, you can alter things easily. Just swapping the discs over to power harrow is easily done. It's so simple and quick.
How have you found the after-sale service?
Amazing, amazing. Any little questions, are straight there on the phone. If you're not sure about anything, just give them a ring up. They're friendly. Any issues, which we haven't had that many issues, just had a little faulty sensor, but they're straight on the phone. Everything's sorted as soon as it can.
From a point of view of maintenance, how do you find that?
Yep, everything's easy to get to. I mean, you have all these bigger drills, it's a lot harder to get under and do stuff, but everything's near enough you can do from the top. Easy grease nipples on it. Tines on the power harrow, easy to change.
And if you're looking to make another purchase at the end of the life of this drill, is it something you consider again?
Oh, 100%, 100%. I mean, for what this drill has showed us in the last 2 years of owning it, it's definitely outstood a lot. A big improvement from my last drill, and I don't think we'll change from a Sulky again unless anything big comes out, but we're well happy with what the Sulky's been doing.